Well, we're indeed currently in the process of replacing our oldest sorters, which are from '93, so 20 years plus old. We are now moving into a more batch build type of system. So where before baggage would just come in first in, first out, we're moving to a more batch build system, which also changes the whole way the operations happen around it, but allow us to really invest in making baggage lighter for the people, so people don't have to do the manual lifting anymore, but can actually be fully supported and work in a more efficient way, making the job for a handler way more efficient, but also way more ergonomic. Well, our passengers keep rising on a small scale, so it will bring us normally to the baggage for the next decade to be safe. The most important thing is we are a hub airport, so our flights typically come very peak in and peak out. And what we're trying to do in this way is de-peak the operations itself, so that we are not constantly having to work in a very fast in and out system, but we can do it in a more continuous space and still be a hub airport that has these big peaks in and outs. So that way actually our capacity overall increases because we can flatten the peaks inside of us. We are working on mainly semi-automated loading currently, so that's really the type where the lifting is not done by the human, but is really assisted, so it really goes over type of conveyors into the carts. Therefore also AI can help us in understanding which bag can actually be used by that technology. Because for example, bags which are in the typical tub, like these large backpacks, well then of course we would be loading the tub together with it. So we actually are using AI in that case then, we will be using AI to identify which bags can be used with that technology and which bags cannot, and hence we can also deviate all the bags accordingly. Well, we try to be net zero carbon like many airports. So it's about making sure that our energy efficiency is as high as possible. We are really working also there in ensuring that our materials are circular. So in the current tenders we are doing, it's really core in the process to making sure that it's the most energy efficient, the most circular, the most green solution, because whatever you build is going to be there for the next 30 plus years. So it's important you consider now what you need for the future. I'm here at the International Airport Summit 2025. I had the opportunity to be a speaker on one of the panels and moderate one. It was very interesting to meet all the different companies, all the different airports, have discussions with these airport leaders and discussing the future of baggage and future of airports.